好，Hello！呢條片呢會同大家講2025年嘅第5條嘅，係啦，咁就一條關於 acid and base 嘅題目啦，咁我哋睇下條題目先，咁就講 tartaric acid 啦，俾咗個 formula 俾你嘅，咁就 C4H6O6 咁樣啦，咁就喺提子嗰度有嘅，咁 antioxidant in grape wines 咁樣嘅，咁跟住之後呢，就佢話佢係大 basic 啦，咁啊 circle all the ionizable hydrogen atom in the structure shown below，咁其實好熟口面啊，之前有一年做過 citric acid 都係類似嘅啦，咁我哋呢目標呢揾 COOH 咁樣，咁我哋呢 COOH，咁所以呢就會圈翻呢兩個 hydrogen，咁啊兩個啦，因為佢係大 basic 噶嘛，講咗，OK，好啦，咁跟住之後呢 an experiment was performed to determine the concentration of tartaric acid in white wine sample。咁啊喺白酒嘅 sample 嗰度啦，咁我哋咧就攞咗25個 cm cube of the sample，咁就大略去到100 cm cube。咁跟住之後咧就攞其中個25個 cm cube 出嚟咧，就 titrate with 呢個嘅0.0105m 嘅 NaOH，就用 phenolphthalein 做 indicator，咁就用咗16.80 cm cube of NaOH 嘅咁樣。咁啊，我哋睇下啦 ，colour change at the end point。咁通常咧，我自己咧都中意咁樣去畫翻嘅。OK，咁上面嗰個係 NaOH 啦，咁 make sure 你就唔會錯啦。咁下面嗰個咧就係個 acid 咁樣啦。咁上面嗰個係 NaOH 啊嘛，即係你點知咧？佢用咗16.80個 cm cube of NaOH 啊嘛。咁但係如果你下面你唔可以咁樣噶嘛。咁下面個 sample 咧。呢個就16.80 cm cube 啦，下面個 sample 咧就用咗25個 cm cube 啦。咁跟住咧，佢就問你個 colour change of the indicator 啦。咁即係話 phenolphthalein 本身喺 acid 入面啦，咁本身喺 acid 嗰度咧係 colourless 嘅。咁跟住咧，當佢去 turn 即係佢 end point 嗰陣時咧，就 pale pink 咁樣啦，colourless to pale pink 啦。OK，咁跟住 part two 啦，assuming that tartaric acid is the only species in white wine to react with NaOH， 咁樣計個 concentration， 留意翻啦，佢嘅要求咧係 in gram per dm cube 嘅，咁我哋最尾再 convert 啦。咁但係你諗下啦，一個大 basic 嘅 acid 啦，咁我哋大 basic 嘅 acid，咁我哋諗下佢H2A 咁樣啦，其實佢都俾咗你嘅，即係佢都俾咗你嘅，不過唔緊要啦。總之其中兩個 hydrogen 係 ionizable 嘅，咁跟住之後咧就同兩個 NaOH 去 react 啦，咁跟住就會 form Na2A 啦，再加兩個 H2O 咁樣嘅，咁所以你知道 mole ratio of Na2A 即係個 tartaric acid 同埋個 NaOH 咧係1:2咁樣嘅，咁跟住咧，我哋就呢個就唔要求你寫嘅，不過唔緊要啦。咁俾咗你嘅 information 咧，就係有0.0105m 嘅 NaOH 同埋16.80個 cm cube of NaOH 啦。咁我哋可以咧一開頭計翻 number of moles of NaOH 先嘅，咁就0.0105m 啦，乘翻16.80個 cm cube 啦，咁樣除翻1000，咁就等於1.764乘10嘅負4次方個 mole 咁樣，咁跟住啦，咁佢個 number of mole of tartaric acid 咁點樣計呢？咁樣，咁首先呢，我哋要睇翻啦，我哋直接計啦，直接喺佢嗰25個 cm cube 嗰度有幾多啦 ？So number of moles of tartaric acid in the sample， 即係 original 個 sample 啦。咁樣，咁首先1.764乘10嘅負4次方啦。咁然後呢，因為佢哋嘅 mole ratio 呢度1:2啊嘛，咁所以要將呢個除2啦，除咗2就係佢個 number of mole in 嗰25個 cm cube 啦，係咪？number of mole 嗱，我哋而家計緊嗰個係依個，係依25個 cm cube。咁但係呢，我哋就要計翻 original 嗰25個 cm cube。咁個分別喺邊度呢？就係佢本身係依100個 cm cube 入面抽出嚟噶嘛。但係嗱，而家藍色圈住噶啦，依25個 cm cube 同依100個 cm cube 入面嘅 number of mole 咧係不變嘅。OK，咁所以我哋只要計到喺個100 cm cube 入面個 number of mole 係幾多呢？就同 original 個 number of mole 咧係一樣嘅。咁點樣由喺個 sample 依25去到依100 cm cube 呢？就係乘翻100。over 25，因為佢喺100入面抽25出嚟噶嘛，咁就會喺依一個位啦，咁樣，咁跟住之後呢，就計到啦，咁你用翻咁就等於3.528乘10嘅負4次方 mole 啦。 係 number of mole 啦。咁跟住咧，我哋要計嘅係in gram per dm cube 啊嘛。咁所以我哋將佢轉翻做 gram 先。咁所以咧，我哋就計翻 concentration of 呢個嘅 tartaric acid in gram per dm cube 啦。咁就係3.528乘10嘅負4次方。咁然後呢個 number of mole 嘛，咁我要轉翻做個 mass 啦，咁就乘翻 molar mass 就乘翻150啦，俾咗你嘅條題目呢度150。咁跟住之後呢，就再除翻呢個就 mass 啊嘛，除翻個 volume。咁個 volume 呢係個25個 cm cube 入面噶嘛，咁所以除翻個 volume，咁就會計到2.12 gram per dm cube 啦。OK， 好，咁跟住之後呢，就 part 3啦咁樣。咁嗱頭先呢係講係白酒嗰度啊嘛，咁我哋睇下啦。佢而家呢就講緊喺紅酒嗰度喎。A student repeated the experiment to determine the concentration of tartaric acid in a white wine sample。咁但係如果白酒嘅話，咁我哋就睇到個顏色啦。但係紅酒嘅話咁深色，所以呢個 colour change 呢 was masked by the intense red colour of the red wine 嘅。咁我點樣去 modify 個實驗？而揾到個 endpoint 呢，我哋目標係揾個 endpoint 啫。咩叫揾個 endpoint 呢？而家呢度個 endpoint 係16.8個 cm cube 嘅 NaOH。咁呢度我點樣可以揾到我需要用幾多嘅 NaOH 呢？咁樣咁嗱，我哋學過即係 titration，除咗用 indicator 之外呢，我哋可以睇翻呢個係第19課嘅嘢啦。咁樣咁呢個呢就係即係另外一個 set 啦。咁你見到佢有用到 thermometer 咁樣嘅 ，OK 係啦。咁因為呢 neutralization 呢係一個exothermic 嘅 reaction 啦，咁所以咧隨住嗱我下面一樣嘅啫，即係而家 modify 咗 cell 啦，咁下面咧可能我係個white wine sample 啦，咁上面係 NaOH 啦，即係調翻轉啦咁樣，咁跟住之後咧我哋就加啲 NaOH 落去，咁隨住佢加落去咧，因為佢係 exothermic reaction 啊嘛 ，exothermic reaction，咁所以咧佢會 increase 嘅呢度。係啦，因為 heat is given out 啦，咁樣咁跟住咧，去到一個 maximum point 啦。去到個 maximum point 係咩意思咧？E 點係咩意思咧？就係佢 reaches the maximum 啦，咁代表佢已經係喺個 equilibrium point 係個 end point 嚟嘅，就係啱啱好 reacted with each other 啦。咁再多嘅時候咧，佢就會跌翻落去嘅。OK，咁就係因為佢冇 reaction 啊嘛，佢唔會個 temperature 唔會再 increase 啦嘛，咁所以咧佢就會個 temperature 就會 false 啦，因為我加咗啲 excess 嘅落去就會 cool down 啊嘛，咁我哋嘅目標咧就要揾呢一點咁樣啦。咁所以咧，我哋可以講翻，我哋可以measure the change in temperature during titration 啦，咁樣。OK，so measure the change in temperature during titration。咁跟住咧，咁我點樣先知道佢係個 maximum 咧？咁樣咁我哋咧就可以，你見到我頭先有 plot 一個 graph 啊嘛 ，plot a graph of temperature against volume of NaOH used。咁然後咧，最後咧，我哋就 find the maximum temperature from the graph。and 呢個 maximum temperature 咧 ，it indicates 咁就 indicates 咗 the end point 啦，咁樣啦。OK， 咁會有少少難嘅。咁另外仲有一個方法咧，我就唔 sure 得唔得啦咁樣。咁但係之前都有見過嘅，就可能你用咗啲activated charcoal， 即係用啲嗰啲叫咩咧？唔記得中文係咩？嗰啲咩碳咧？活性炭嚟吸咗個 red wine sample 嗰啲顏色先，令到佢變 colourless，跟住你再做。但係咧，呢個方法咧就有個問題，就係你做嘅過程入面，其實你個 red wine sample 咧會 lost 咗，咁所以你計出嚟嗰個嘅 concentration 會唔準咯，會。咁所以如果比較好，我自己就覺得即係寫翻呢個 temperature，即係睇 temperature 呢個方法就會比較好啦。OK，講完，thank you。